Hello there, everyone. Judge Andrew Napolitano here for Judging Freedom. Today is Thursday, March 3rd, 2022. It's about 11:10 in the morning on the East Coast. If you like these solo pop-ups and if you like the longer forms of my interviews on Judging Freedom, please subscribe to them. It's easy to do, and encourage your friends to do so. As we speak, a guilty plea is being offered in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia by one of the Proud Boys. The Proud Boys were the group of 11 people who have been charged with conspiracy to overthrow the government of the United States of America by violence, commonly referred to as sedition. This is a very complicated case, and I am surprised that one of the Proud Boys is pleading guilty. The founder of the Proud Boys, Stuart Rhodes, has insisted, a Yale Law School graduate, by the way, has insisted he will not plead guilty and he will force the government to try him. The government does not want to try any of the Proud Boys because we know that the government embedded in them either an undercover FBI agent or a cooperating witness. We know that because that person either intentionally or unwittingly outed himself to the New York Times, and the New York Times reported that somebody inside the Proud Boys had been communicating to the FBI for months prior to January 6th, and then in real time on January 6th, while the events, which included property damage, personal injury, and death, were happening, and the FBI did nothing about it. This raises serious constitutional questions about what the FBI knew and when it knew it, and whether or not this undercover agent was the subject of a search warrant that the FBI got, or if they just put this person in there, and whether doing so violated the Fourth Amendment rights of the Proud Boys. We won't know any of that unless and until there's a trial, which Stuart Rhodes insists he will insist on. But today, the head of the Proud Boys in Alabama, a 33-year-old young man, as I speak to you, is pleading guilty to this charge of conspiracy to commit sedition. He is exposing himself to 20 years in a federal prison. We'll see if he entered into an agreement with the government. It's almost inconceivable that he did not enter into some sort of a plea agreement with the government, whereby it will ask the judge to lessen the penalty, the time in jail, in return for whatever testimony he may give against his now former colleagues. Is that a bribe? Giving someone something of value in order to tailor their testimony in a courtroom? Of course it is. Government does it every day and gets away with it. We'll see where this one goes. Judge Napolitano, Judging Freedom.